Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. Now you can either hide likes on your posts or other people's posts that you have liked. Now let's do that just by getting into your settings. You can see the menu button at the bottom right. Let's just tap on that. Keep in mind on your device, it might be at the top right there. Next, let's just tap on that gear icon at the very top right. And now within your settings, we can hide those likes. There are two different options. Let's scroll down until we see preferences here. And on here, we're going to go to reaction preferences, which is essentially the likes or thumb up. So tap on reaction preferences and it says hide the number of reactions on other people's posts and reels. So you can turn this on. This is other people that have posted something. You won't be able to see the likes and reactions. However, if you wanted to choose that on your posts and on your reels, you can turn this on and now you'll no longer see those likes on your photos, your videos, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.